Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who's back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for kicking it with me today, man. Just got done riding, so pardon me. I look a little hot, sweaty. And somebody asked me, said, hey, Q, you should do a gear review on what kind of gear you wear. And I'm like, okay, you know what? That's a good idea. So I got that here with me today. As y'all can see, I'm at the storage. I just gave Flojo a wash, so she is looking very, very good. A very, what's that boy, my man, Monkey say, scrum diddles. She's looking very, very clean. Probably the best I've cleaned in a long time. Get right to the video. Gear review. I'm gonna start my way left and go right and just talk about each one and where you can find it, things like that. So starting from the shirt, this is a actual speed and strength shirt here, as you can see, speed and strength. So it looks like a regular shirt, but it's actually very, very thick and has like protective material in there, as y'all can see. So I believe you can, well, no, it doesn't have pockets for like padding, but here in the shoulder is padded, the elbow is padded. So when I wear this here, it's more so I'm like a chill ride. What I like about it the most is it's very fashionable, it looks good, but it still offers protection. Now it is made of like a fleece wool material, so it does get hot, so it's not a good idea to wear this in the summertime. But it does come with a zipper, as y'all can see here, and you can button the buttons over the top like that, so give you a nice clean flush look. So I usually wear that in the fall, or like right now it is early spring, it's April right now, so I usually wear that right now. It's cool, but it allows airflow, but it keeps me warm, but it's not too hot. So, and it's a good look. Here, these are not regular jeans, so they may look like regular jeans to you, but they are not. They're actual motorcycle riding pants here, and these are by Scorpion. They're Scorpion Covert. Sorry about the size, guys, I'm a big guy. But they look like regular jeans, and that's what I love about these jeans. Now, they're not regular jeans because they're super thick for one, and right in here you can see this lining. That's where actually it has padding. Let me see if I can show y'all that really quick. So if I flip it inside out, you can see that they have slots here for padding. So you can put padding in there as well as on your hip right here. So they look like regular jeans, which is what I love, but they are not regular jeans. They offer extra layer protection. So when you want to keep it casual, you can wear these as opposed to like motorcycle gear. My only gripe about these, I'm a big guy, so it might just be my fault. It might just be me. They fit super, super tight in the crotch area, like right in here. They fit hella tight. So it kind of makes them uncomfortable. Again, I don't know if it's just me being big. I lost like 12 pounds since last time I kind of wore these. So they may fit a little better now, but right in the crotch area, they're just super tight, which makes them uncomfortable. Another gripe I have is just the coloring. Sometimes like right here, I don't know why they just couldn't make that black. It's like intentional, I guess, but they could just kept that all black. It would have looked so much better. Cause like sometimes I wear it like my pants are dingy, you know? But yeah, they're just regular jeans, guys. And if you want like a regular look with some extra protection, then these are a good way to go. Again, just with the fitment, just be careful about the fitment. Maybe go a size up. I'm not sure. I went 42. I'm true 42. So, you know, they maybe just run a little tight in the crotch area. Moving on, these are speed and strength shoes. So they look like regular tennis shoes, guys, but they are not. They are actual motorcycle shoes. So as you can see here, the ankle is very, very protected. Very, very sturdy shoe. The toe here has a super hard toe, so your shifter on both of them actually. So, and it's a high top boot, so you got that ankle protection. So I like these because it's just a good style. So this really, if I just want to go out and like ride my bike during the day, maybe meet somebody for lunch or something, this is my outfit. I wear those shoes, this shirt, and these jeans. That just gives me like a nice kind of casual look going out, you know, but still unprotected if I'm riding my bike. But these are true to size. They fit great. There no complaints with them at all. They're heavy for sure. They do definitely have some weight on them, but yeah, and they do kind of come dingy like this already, so just be prepared for that. They don't look brand new. This is how they come. So I guess it's just the style they were going for. Moving on here, you have this is probably the jacket I wear the most. It's actually my only jacket I have. This is my This is my Alpine Stars mesh jacket, and this jacket is basically great, man. I got it in size 3X, and it fits almost perfect, maybe just a little snug. Again, I was heavier then than I am now, so it fits a lot better. But fully armored jacket in the elbows here, and your shoulders. I think on the back, it has a slot for protection. Yeah, it does, but you can put it in there. They don't include that. But this jacket is great. Like, it flows great in the summertime. You get a lot of air and it's not too hot. And then you can also wear it in the wintertime. Usually in the wintertime, I just put kind of like a long sleeve shirt underneath it, and it works perfectly. It does have pockets here, pockets here, pockets there, and it also has 2 pockets on the interior here and here, so you have good storage. Where's the other side? There it is, right here. Good storage. And this is where you can put in your back protector if you wanted to. So yeah, love this jacket, great jacket. Moving down to, I just got these and I love these pants. These are Day and Knees airflow pants or something like that. Shout out to my guy ZXC and Mez, man. Y'all go check him out, post them right there. He put me on these. They look cool. Great airflow, and they're so comfortable. They come automatically with knee pads, so there's knee padding here and shin guards here, as you can see, both sides. Also comes with hip protection. You can't see it, but it's in there. Hip protection on both sides as well. Have a nice kind of Velcro strap there. You can also, I believe, if you get a jacket, if you get a Dainese jacket, you can zip your jacket and lock it. I think that's what that's for. Comes with 2 pockets here in the front, as you can see there, and then another one here on the back. So a very, very, very nice pant. And if you need more air, you can also undo this right here. It's another zipper to allow more air to come through there. And also, if you need more airflow, you can unzip down here. So I love these pants. These are my favorite pair. I ride in now most at all. I don't really wear these too much anymore, but I usually wear these all the time. So my only gripe is, and again, this just comes from me being a bigger guy, guys. I have a football build, so my lower body is very thick, but my waist is small. So they fit, the size fits over my trunk area, but my waist is small because I'm, you know, football shape, and so the stomach is kind of big. But if I went smaller, it wouldn't fit over my thighs, but it'll fit my waist. So it's just a problem I have personally, just with all my clothes. But these are perfect, honestly. These are like the perfect pant, guys. I highly, highly recommend these if you're in the ride. They're stylish. They can tuck in boot. They can go over boot. Perfect. Moving on here. These are Tcx Riding Boots, like a more casual riding boot. This was the first riding boot I got, but I got these for like 70 bucks, I think, something like that. They're great. They're a good shoe. High ankle, as you can see there. Nice solid toe here. They strap. They have a lace. Honestly, I don't really have too many complaints about these. I like them. They're perfect. They got a little ankle protection right here, a little hard part. Can I say anything negative about these? I really can't say anything negative about these, guys. I like these. When I want to just go and throw on something slick without putting on my next boot I'm gonna show you, I usually put on these. But yeah, these are nice boots. I can't think of anything negative to say. But yeah, so you're interested there. I don't know if they make them anymore. I got these on sale, like clearance, but super cool boot, super nice boot, does a job, no complaints. Finally, moving on to my last 2 items. I have here, I'm gonna get to that in a second. Y'all wanna know what that is. I have these, I just got these. These are Day and Knees Nexus boots. These are my most expensive boots for sure. These are great, love them. They're stylish, tons of protection. They zip up at the back here, show y'all. So this is like a true racing, like track day boot if you want it. A lot of protection here. You have like a front hard part there. Another, like a lot of ankle protection, man. You can see here from the heat of my engine how it's kind of craned it up a little bit, because the other side's not like that. But yeah, these are great. I love these. Sizing wise, I did get a, what size I get? I wear a 13. I think I got a 12.5. Yeah, I got a 12.5. So I went down half a size. They were a little snug when I first got them, but they actually fit perfect now once you're breaking them. So love these boots. Nothing bad to say about them. Probably my favorite to wear. They look good. But I mainly wear these when I'm like really hitting like the twisties and stuff. What kind of riding I'm doing. So you wonder what these are? These are motorcycle socks, guys. So don't laugh at me. I got lime green motorcycle socks. Let me tell you, in the summertime when I was riding my buddies, I used to ask them like, bro, when I used to get home, my feet used to be killing me, like hot. I could barely walk, like on fire. So I was wearing like those black Walmart socks, you know what I'm talking about, those thick black Walmart socks. And bro, like I asked my riding buddies, like, y'all feet don't hurt after y'all finish riding? They're like, nah, I'll be good, bro. I'm like, bro, my feet be on fire. Like I can't walk when I'm done. So I got to looking and researching and found they had motorcycle socks. And that's why I found these motorcycle socks. And guys, let me tell you, they are worth every penny. They keep my feet so cool. It is insane. Like my feet never get hot anymore wearing these socks. They are hot socks, so they come up to about right here, almost shin level. I mean, almost the knee. And the cool thing about it, they have stop on one side, then they have go on the other right there, as you can see. I love these socks. I wear them almost every time I ride. I didn't wear them today because of this video, but I wear them almost every time I ride because they keep my feet super, super cool. And I highly recommend a motorcycle riding sock because I had these things on, guys. Bruh, my feet used to burn. Especially if you're in Texas like me, heat. Get you some riding socks, bro, because my feet are 10 times cooler now. Oh, my gloves. I forgot about my gloves. Show you my gloves. Gloves here. These are just built gloves. Nothing special. Short. They're short, so they got ankle. They got a little knuckle protection. I always have had built gloves. I'll be honest with you. I bought a pair of Alpine Star gloves, and they didn't feel any different than these. So I just been riding built for a long time. I might get another pair of Alpine Stars. But I rode these in the winter, summer. This is just the only glove I have, and they perfect. They lasted so far. I know Built is like considered like a more cost efficient brand, but these things are perfect for me, bro. Like now I will say in the wrist they're a little loose, but I don't really have big wrists. But yeah, they're perfect for me, man. These like $20, maybe 15, something like that. Now I know you're gonna say you buy a cheap glove, when you go down they go rip, you know, all that stuff, but these are leather. They're real leather too. So they're not much leather on the palm there, but they are leather and they're well vented. So thank y'all for watching. That's the gear review. That's usually the gear I ride with. This usually is outfit here, like this one here. I'll probably ride with like 95% of the time this here. But man, that's all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank y'all for coming. Kick it with your boy Q. Make sure you like, hit that subscribe button. I never say that, guys. I don't like saying it, but make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. Come follow your boy on Instagram, man. And I'll catch y'all on the next one, baby. Peace.